Okay, so here is a Penncrest 100 box fan. I picked this one up last year on vacation up around Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Found it on the local Facebook marketplace up there. I think I paid around 20 bucks for it. It's totally worth it. It's probably my favorite box fan that I own, and definitely the best condition vintage box fan that I own. It's in pretty much near mint condition. But I finally got around to doing the clean and service on this thing. Didn't need much, but cleaned up pretty well anyway. So this is Penncrest 100 with, I guess we call that avocado green label. 3 speeds, and then the rest of the fan is like it's kind of a tan color. It's got a little green to it. It's one of the many shades of 1970s vomit colors from that era, but it's model number 9711A. Manufactured by J.C. Penney Company, but it does have a Lakewood sticker similar to this one on top of the motor. You might be able to see it back there. Can't really see it coming in from the other way because of that brace, but you can see it right there. Pretty sure it's a Macmillan motor. It's got all the grill slats and everything. Metal blade. Thing is super heavy, comparatively speaking to the other, even the vintage box fans that I own. This thing is way heavier than those. Pretty nice though. Anyway, let's get down to business here. We'll start it on low speed. Jeez. Here's low. I think there's some construction going on down at the other end of the block. Every once in a while I get a little ruckus, but hopefully you can hear the fan. Although the low speed is very quiet. Great low speed on this fan.